Well, hey everybody, I'm Bill with Live Simple, Live Free, and I released a video yesterday called Hoarding versus Prepping. And there's been a lot of discussion on that, which I appreciate, but there are also a lot of people asking how to start prepping. People that are just wanting to start or have started and really don't know quite how to do it. So I wanted to do this just quick little video to tell you about a series that we did, a 3-video series that we did a couple years ago called How to Start Prepping. And it covers the whole gamut. There's quite a bit of video watching involved there, but we talk about, housing, heat, water, food, and everything else you would imagine. And we talk about how to test your system to make sure that you have what you need and that sort of thing. So I just wanted to tell you about it if you're interested in learning more about how to prep. If you've never done it before, or if you are a prepper but you'd like a little bit more in-depth information about it, then go ahead and check it out. I will put a link to our playlist, How to Start Prepping, in the description down below and also on the end screen of this video. And I hope you guys find that helpful. Thanks for watching. Live simple, live free. Be blessed.